This is a tutorial to explain the course substitution form. This form is used to write a request to change a course on your plan of study. This form is used to request a course change that is within the same discipline or subject area. For example, if you need to request to change a course from communication to communication, a course substitution form is needed. To access the form, go to oakland.edu/BIS/major standing students. Then click on Course Change Form. You will need to log in with your user ID and password. Next, click on Course Substitution Form. In the request area, clearly write your request that includes the course rubric and number, the title, and the credits. For example, add Com 2000 4 credits public speaking, drop Com 3300 4 credits multicultural communication. This request needs to fit on one line, so shorten the titles as needed. In the rationale area, clearly explain the reason for your request and why the new course is a good choice for you. Next, click on your advisor's name. This form will be routed to your advisor first so that they can review your request and add any comments to your form to support you. Last, click on Submit. Your form will be reviewed by the advising office and you will be notified via email. Things to consider: check for prerequisites, check the credits to ensure that they are equal amounts, and check the registration link to see if the new course is offered, if that's possible. If you have any questions, talk to your advisor.